Cumberland County in central North Carolina. Southeastern Hope County in central North Carolina until 2:30 p.m. At 1:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rayford, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, tail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Rayford, Fort Liberty, Hope Mills, Silver City, Rockfish, and Bonnie Doon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yo, that's crazy.
The National Weather Service.
Bro, that came out of nowhere.
Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cumberland County and central North Carolina. Southeastern Hope County and central North Carolina until 2:30.
Radio 93.3, a 7 Magnus Media radio station. WBHV.